just a quick video related to my VW Multivan. It's the bed frame that I modified. So this is the folding mattress that I acquired, Vanessa window storage boxes. Greetings everyone, Peter here from Outdoors Rome. Today, just a quick video related to my VW Multivan. It's something that I use occasionally when I'm going camping on my own, and I've recently been making things a little bit better as far as the sleeping options go. So today I'm going to talk about some changes that I've made. Some other acquisitions that I recently made were buying these Vanessa window storage boxes. They're really deep, they go a long way, but I was never going to pay, I think, the best part of $900 for them, but I actually saw a set for sale on eBay for $400, and I thought, well, they'll be handy. They fit onto the rear window space area. They've got a load of storage in them, as I say. Got one for each side. So those are just the Vanessa storage bags, which I would recommend. I think they are really useful for storage options in the back of one of these vans. So you might have seen off my last video, I'll pop a link up here, where I went away in this van to a mate's place and I got hold of a single timber bed, and I was actually using that with a mattress on it. That was okay, but it was a little bit bulky inside the van and it was a bit of a PIA sorting things out once I got to site. So I decided to put that bed outside the house and list it on Facebook for someone to have a free bed. As it happens, no one wanted it and it just sat outside the house for 2 weeks. And in the end I thought, you know, I wonder if I can do something with that bed and make it into some sort of frame. So I looked at various options online and I found that some of the commercial beds, they use the rear seats of the multivan in the flat position. And at the time I didn't have the rear seats in, but I did actually want to put the rear seats back in because it's handy for when we go away for little day trips with the dogs, or we just go and chill out by the beach and we're having a little barbecue. It's handy to have the big seat in the back because the dogs like to sit in it, and we can sit in it and turn one of the front seats round on the swivel and sit inside if it's a bit chilly. So using me primitive DIY skills, consisting primarily of a saw, a screwdriver and some long screws, I made some mods to that single bed. What I ended up with is this. Basically, that's the bed frame that I modified. So that was a single bed. I took the legs off, adjusted the height of it, made a little support here so that it can come right over, and it's the same height as the bed, as you can see from there. Maybe get it from the other angle. So that's the rear bench seat in its flat position, and then you can see my bed extension at the front there. It's probably about 6 inches too wide, all being said, with the mattress that I'll put on it. I'm not sure I've got the botheration to take 6 inches off it because I've got plenty enough space. So when I get out of bed, I've got space there, and then that front seat spins around so I can waddle off and sit in the front seat, or just sit here. And as I say, with the new Vanessa storage bags, I've got everything that I need stored next to me. There's also plenty of storage underneath. You can get access to the drawers underneath there, and I have my Bluetti and a storage box underneath there. So this is the folding mattress that I acquired. It folds down into 4 panels and folds out. I got this actually from Woolworths Marketplace. It was available on several camping sites, but the actual mattress itself looked the same wherever you got it from, so I decided to buy it from Woolworths and just get it delivered for free. Cost me $80, and it was arrived pretty quickly, and I got my Woolworths points. I did spend a night on it at the weekend at my mate's place again, and it was actually very comfy. So that's my new sleeping option and a few little upgrades in the VW Man Van. I thought I'd just show you the van in day use mode. This is the front seats swiveled around. We've got the bed extension on its side, so you can use that as a table to prep on. And then you've just got the rear seats and the mattress there. It's a great versatile van. couple of nights away in the VW Multivan, where I'm going to be testing out my new bed solution, which, after having spent a night in it last night, seems to be the best so far, having tried nearly all the options possible. This latest one seems to be the one.